a very important part of Thai culture and tradition. You have rice in pretty much every single meal. Most of the time, freshly steamed plain rice. But when there is leftovers, you never throw it. Instead, we use it to cook khao pad. That means fried rice with egg, veggies, and meat. Today, I will show you khao pad moo, khao pad, fried rice, moo, pork. Are you ready? Let's go! Steamed rice, Chinese broccoli, onion, egg, cooking oil, sugar, mushroom soy sauce, mushroom seasoning powder, lime, carrot, white pepper, cucumber, and spring onion. Let's prepare the vegetables. For the rice, I steamed it already. No need to show you because I think everyone knows how to cook rice, right? This carrot is quite big, so I will use less than half. I will use half of onion only. Cucumber and lime. We will use it as a decoration on the side, but of course, you can eat it. I will use only one part then. I'm sorry that I forget to mention in ingredients that we need marinate pork as well, because this morning my lovely neighbor decided to have a loud conversation at 6 in the morning. And I forget garlic as well. Oopsie. Before cooking rice, we have to add mushroom soy sauce, yeast, sugar, and mushroom seasoning powder. Oopsie. Add cooking oil. Add garlic. Marinate pork. Once the pork is cooked, add white pepper. A simple recipe, but this is part of the everyday Thai life. This Khao pad was my version, but there is many different options. You can also use tomato, baby corn, bell pepper, or even mushroom. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to receive a notification when I add a new video. Share, leave a comment, and chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. Hey, it's me from the future and I'm with Oscar. I was about to film the next recipe, but something happened last night. We reached 500 subscribers. Woo! So I wanted to really thank you for that a lot. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye.